Okay, welcome to our first how-to video. You can see we're logged in here as a user on our user dashboard. And your dashboard should look very similar with courses I lead and courses I have joined. On the dashboard, there's some links on the left-hand side that you can explore at your leisure. But let's jump right in and have this user create a new course. We click on that button and let's name it. And you can see that immediately upon doing that, we end up on what's called the course settings basic page. And here we have the course name, which has already been given. We can upload an image from our file to give our course an icon that's kind of catchy and attractive. And as we scroll down the page, we come to the Learner's Project Challenge. This, of course, is a key element for your course. In this one, we'll name this challenge we'll call this challenge Create Your Own Course, since that is our goal, is to help you create your own course. Now, the next choice you're going to have is one that is you can't change. Is this course going to be open to a private audience only, meaning usually students from a school or employees from your company? Or would you like to make this a public course that anyone in the world can join? Once you make this choice and hit save at the bottom, it is not reversible. So if you happen to make a mistake, you're going to have to go back and create a new course. But for this course, we'll make it a private course. And because it's only open to users in our organization, we are going to create a password. And it's that password that users will type in order to access the course and be able to join it. So to complete our course setup, we could click Save, or we could finish the last step and select Dates. At the moment, we have no dates chosen, but let's set some tentative dates for this course, knowing that we can always change them later. Our start date for the course will be March 1st. And let's have this course end on May 1st. Courses can run from 3 days to 6 months. So it is at your discretion. And lastly, it'll ask you, when would you like students to be able to register for this course? Prior to the course date, in other words, as soon as you've published this course, or would you like to wait for a specific date? We'll leave this at prior to the start date. And here you have the course status at the bottom of the page. The course is currently set to private draft, since this is a private course. Draft means that no other users can see it yet until you change it to publish. We can't change it to publish quite yet because we're not done with all the required fields for this course to be published. But for the moment, we'll save it as a draft, and that completes step 1. After clicking Save, we have a choice. We can navigate to the learning plan, where we can actually start building our course by adding components like videos and quizzes. Or we can navigate out of this course and finish our user profile so that the course can be published. So by navigating out, we clicked on the X and we're back here at our dashboard. You can see our newly added course is here. And to finish our user profile, we go to My Account and we open up General. We see that this user, Stanley Hudson, has completed the first part. He'll click on Display Information. He'd like his display name to be Test Project Leader. For projects he joined, Stanley just wishes to be known as Stanley. And here we'll update an image so that Stanley can have an avatar. And lastly, Stanley needs a project leader biography so that users know a little bit more about him. As an optional link, Stanley can share his multimedia or webinar link of choice. This could be Skype, Zoom, Google Meet, whatever Stanley chooses as a video conference option. Clicking Save, Stanley's now ready to publish his choice, and once published, Stanley's newly published course would appear here on the Browse Courses page, and users could sign up by entering the password he shared with them.